Hi guys, this is my final unboxing video. This is a LG Dare. Um, it's a touchscreen phone, and I think it was made 2005, 2006, I'm not sure. You got a CD for the information, software, stuff like that. Tip, hits, and shortcuts. This was never opened, and then the user guide is right in there with it. Right here's the USB cable, and I think the phone is dead, I believe. So like, I'll just show the phone. It's really nice. It was a very sleek phone back in the day. It has a 3.2 megapixel camera, and it probably has a really good camera, but like back in the day that was probably really good, since I think most phones back then had 2.0 megapixels cameras. But anyways, I hope you enjoyed the video and have a good day.